Today we're going to figure out if these Miniso X23s are TikTok crap or if they're actually decent. We're going to take care of that. We're going to address the 3 most common questions I found on the internet, and I'm going to ask you to comment below or do one of those video comments, please. That would be so cool. How do you pronounce this brand? Miniso? Miniso? Yeah, comment below, especially on video. Let me know, and don't forget while you're there, click that like, follow, subscribe, all those important things. That is awesome. Let's talk about those 3 most important questions people ask. I think the first one we should address is the giant one that everybody asks, which is how is the audio quality? And the audio quality is meh, but these are such a bargain. I think meh for this bargain price is ridiculously cool. Actually, if you're interested in them, there is a link below. You can just click on that. It helps out the channel. We really appreciate it a lot. Just to give you a little more detail on it. So for me, I find the mids, the highs are acceptable in a normal range. I find the bass to be a little more, the most meh of all of these things. Not terribly loud, but again, for the price, a great value. Also, not having to do with any of the 3 questions, but first off, look at how cool these things look. This is ridiculously cool. That is awesome. And this case, super cool also. Obviously gives you the readout so you know how much power is left. Power is one of those 3 questions. So they will run for about 4 hours. And then once that 4 hours is up, you have another 20 hours in the case to recharge it. So there is a good long run time. You're not going to run out of power on I don't care what flight you're going on, you're not running out of power with these. The last question that I found searched a lot was, how are they for working out? Now, the obvious one, Captain Obvious, the over-the-ear instead of earbuds is definitely better for working out in the sense you get to hear what's going on around you, especially if you're walking, riding a bike, something like that. You want to hear if a car is coming, truck's coming, that kind of stuff. The other super positive is they are IPX5 water resistant. What that means is you can sweat all you want, you can work out. I actually took them for a walk in the rain. They were just fine. Basic damp, wet is fine with them. You go swimming with them, they're dead. You go in the shower, they're dead. Don't do that, but enjoy them for the rest of your workout. So let me summarize this for you. The positive, the pluses are great value, good sound, the IPX5 water resistant, awesome, super comfortable to wear. The over-the-ear style is definitely better for working out, that kind of stuff. The cons, the only con that I found was if you were an audiophile and you want some great crushing bass and volume and that kind of stuff, this is not it for you. But I don't think if you're shopping at this price range, you were thinking you were going to get that. So I hope this was helpful. Links below if you're interested. We'll see you next time.